Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the core prerequisites and taking the first actions. Sign in at account. Live. To verify your email, password, and security info, make sure your recovery phone and alternate email are current. Once signed in, check Xbox Live service status and your console's network connection so you're not troubleshooting a wider outage. If two-step verification blocks the console, create an app password or temporarily disable it, and then return to the console to retry the sign-in process. Once you've handled prerequisites, focus on authentication and network details. On your Xbox or Windows app, clear cached credentials and remove the problematic profile, then re-add it so tokens refresh. This forces a new OAuth flow from account. Live. Make sure NAT is open and DNS is set to reliable servers. Power cycle the router and console to renew IP leases. If multiple devices fail, check for account-level blocks, recent password changes, or security holds in your Microsoft account security activity. Finish by validating access and cleaning up residual issues. Sign in again to your console and test store purchases, multiplayer, and cloud saves to ensure tokens and entitlements are correct. If sign-in still fails, review the account security activity at account. Live. For blocked attempts or recovery prompts, remove any suspicious devices and change your password if necessary. If problems persist, gather timestamps, error codes, and steps taken. Then contact Xbox support so they can escalate with the precise diagnostics you collected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.